Are you passionate about Photoshop? Do you love creating stunning designs and editing photos? Why not turn that passion into profit? In this video, we'll show you how to make money from your YouTube channel by creating tutorial Photoshop videos. First, you'll need to create a YouTube channel and start uploading high-quality Photoshop tutorial videos. Make sure to choose topics that are in demand and that cater to your target audience. This will help you attract more viewers and increase your chances of monetizing your channel. Next, enable monetization on your YouTube channel. This will allow you to earn money from ads that are displayed on your videos. Once you've met the eligibility criteria, you can start earning revenue from your channel. To maximize your earnings, consider joining the YouTube Partner Program. This program offers additional benefits such as access to exclusive features and resources, personalized support, and opportunities for brand collaborations. It's a great way to take your channel to the next level. Another way to monetize your channel is through sponsored content. As your channel grows, brands may approach you for collaborations and partnerships. These sponsorships can provide you with not only financial compensation but also exposure to new audiences. Additionally, you can explore merchandise sales. Create custom design products related to Photoshop or your channel's branding. From t-shirts to mugs, there are plenty of options to showcase your creativity and earn extra income. Lastly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community around your channel. Building a loyal following will not only increase your revenue potential but also open doors for other opportunities, such as freelance design work or brand ambassadorships. Thanks for watching this video on how to make money from your YouTube channel through tutorial Photoshop videos. If you found this content helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials.